Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you have a recent backup and a wired connection. This reduces interruptions and speeds downloads. Once connected, close bandwidth-heavy apps and open settings update and security. Make sure Windows Update is active and hit check for updates to start scanning. While scanning runs, disable VPN or proxy temporarily because they can add latency. This first phase gets the system ready and begins the update discovery, so you can move to faster installation steps. Now you accelerate the core process. Open delivery optimization settings and set it to PCs on my local network only or turn off sharing. Then cap upload to near zero so downloads use full bandwidth. Next, stop the Windows Update service, delete the software distribution /download folder to remove stuck files, and restart the service. Once done, resume the update check. You'll see fresher downloads and fewer conflicts. These steps clear cached errors and prioritize fresh packages, so installations proceed without repeated retries or slow. Finish by installing available updates and rebooting as prompted. Sometimes 2 reboots are required to complete staged installs. If you notice persistent slowness, run the Windows Update troubleshooter from settings, then retry the update process. This tool fixes common service and permission issues automatically. If an update still fails, record the error code, undo recent system changes, or use a system restore point and try again. This final checklist ensures completion and gives one clear troubleshooting path if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.